Krita Clothing Color. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because coloring clothing and digital art can be confusing for beginners. Many users of Krita want to improve their artwork by learning simple layering, shading, and highlighting techniques. Open Krita and click File, then choose Open or New to begin your project. Import an existing character image or draw your character directly on the canvas. Next, go to the Layers panel to organize your artwork. Make sure your line art stays on the top layer so it remains clearly visible. Create a new layer and rename it to Clothing Base. Drag this layer below the line art layer so the colors appear underneath. Select the Clothing Base layer, then choose the Freehand Selection Tool. Carefully draw a selection around the clothing area, making sure to follow the edges accurately. Close the selection shape to complete it. Now select the Fill tool, pick your desired base color, and click inside the selection to fill it. Press Ctrl Shift A to deselect the area. Create another new layer above the base layer and rename it to Shadow. Set the layer mode to multiply for proper shading. Select the Brush tool, choose a darker color, and paint shadows on folds and under the arms. Follow the natural direction of the fabric to keep the shading realistic. Next, create another new layer and rename it to Highlight. Set its layer mode to Normal or Overlay depending on your preference. Pick a lighter color and add highlights to raised areas of the clothing. Gently blend the highlights using a soft brush to smooth transitions. Finally, save your work and export your finished artwork in your preferred file format for sharing or further editing. Ensure you review the overall colors and adjust them if necessary for consistency. You can tweak opacity on the shadow layer to control intensity and refine the highlight strength for better balance. Zoom in to check edges and clean up any uneven areas using the eraser tool. If needed, keep your layers organized by naming them clearly so you can edit easily later.